in depth in this video. Here we got the SIG P365 AXG Legion versus the Canik Prime Radian. Both these guns are super beautiful, super nice in hand. They felt real great to shoot. However, what didn't feel really great is loading all these dang rounds by hand. I'll tell you what, someone linked me down below a frickin' speed loader. Let's get it. Alright, so before I forget to mention this, I did weigh both of the pistols here, and I got a weight of 780 grams for the Canik Radian Prime, the way I had it set up, and this AXG Legion with the Sig Romeo optic was about 755 grams. So, yeah, pretty even on the weight, I would say. Hey y'all, we're gonna go